Dear aspirant, the GIC exam is drawing near and I hope your preparation is going on fine. Friend, Bankwiz has already launched a paid course for a holistic preparation of the descriptive English paper. You will get online mocks for descriptive English paper along with study materials on essay, précis and reading comprehension. You will get the similar interface for descriptive mock tests. Visit www.bankwiz.com for details. You can register for free guidance from our experts. Well, in this video lecture, we will discuss how you should prepare for GIC descriptive English paper, as this paper will definitely create a difference and prove to be a key factor for final selection in the exam. As you know, there are 3 sections in descriptive English paper for both the general and specialist streams. These are essay, précis and comprehension. This paper carries 30 marks and you are required to complete the answers in 1 hour's time with the help of the keyboard. All these 3 sections are of equal weightage, that is to say, the essay, the précis and the reading comprehension carry 10 marks each. Friend, for essay section you need to have sound knowledge of the insurance sector, as at least one section will definitely be based on this sector. For précis you are required to have good writing and reading skills. Please be aware of any typing or grammatical mistakes while answering the questions. Don't write a précis using bullets. In other words, don't mention the necessary things point wise. You had better finish writing the answers in 1 paragraph. Please watch the relevant videos by Bankwiz for much better preparation for this section and the section of comprehension. Now, take down some highly probable essay topics to be asked in the GIC Descriptive English Paper Exam 2021. The first topic is suggest measures how insurance companies can penetrate a wide area of the country. The second topic is challenges before the insurance companies for higher growth. How 74% FDIs can bring high growth to insurance sector in India. The pros and cons of the government's decision to allow 74% FDIs in insurance sector. Disinvestment of PSUs, pros and cons. Privatization of insurance sector, handling fear of COVID-19 pandemic, role of social media, artificial intelligence, importance of leadership quality in an organization, then importance of marketing skills in an organization, importance of good decision making skills in life, world's largest COVID-19 vaccination program in India, then vocal for local, how much it is feasible, then local to global, water crisis the menace, one nation one ration card, one nation one election, the problem of unemployment is deepening in the country, is lockdown the only measure to contain the COVID-19 virus, ensuring access of online education to all. Thus friend, these are all essay topics that you should prepare on. Get registered with us for holistic guidance for this exam. Please visit bankwiz.com. Wish you all the best. Thank you.